So this is 2002 Jamb question 1. So to solve it, we multiply this one and this, and that will give me 11101 times 1 1. And if you use this one to multiply everything up, you have 10111. And if you use the second one to multiply everything up, you have it under here. 1 times 1 will give me 10111. Then add the two together. That will give us 111. This will give me 2. And when you convert it, it will give you 1 remainder 0. So you write down the remainder and carry 1. This will give you 3. Converting it, 2 and 3, that's 1 remainder 1. You write 1, carry 1. This will give me 2 again. Converting it will give you 0, carry 1, which you are going to bring down here. Then you now add this answer. You add it to what you have here. So that is going to give us 1010111 plus 101. This plus this will give me 2, but we have to convert it. We have 0, carry 1, 2, 0, carry 1, 3, 1, carry 1, 1101 base 2. So that is it. Solving the one in this question, we have to simplify this. So starting with the one inside the bracket, we convert the mixed number to improper fraction, so that 3 times 1, 3 plus 1 will give me 4 over 3. Then this one will change to times. So once it's changed to times, then the 9 will come up, 4 will go down, which will now give us 4 here 1, 4 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So that will give me 3. Now if I now combine the 3 divided by 5 over 16, because in board mass division comes before multiplication, so this will give me 3 times 16 over 5. So if you multiply 3 and 16, we are going to get 48 over 5. So from here now, we can use 48 over 5 with times 4 number 1 over 6. So 48 over 5 times, changing this one to improper fraction, we are going to have 4 times 6. That will give me 26 times 4 rather. That's 24 plus 1, 25 over 6. 5 here 1, 5 in 25 will give me 5. 6 here 1, 6 here will give me 8. And 8 times 5 will give me 40. So you can see, very simple. So the answer is 40. Question 3. If 3 log a base 2 plus 5 log a base 2 minus 6 log a base 2 is equal to log 64 base 2. So what we are going to do is that there's a law in logarithm that so that we can take this power up, so that we have log a base 2, but since the 3 is coming up, so it will give us log a raised power 3 base 2 plus the 5 will also go up. If the 5 should go up, it will give us log a raised power 5 base 2. Then minus the 6 2 will go up. We have log a raised power 6 base 2 equal to, now log 64 is same as log 2 raised to power 6 base 2. Now, according to the law of logarithm, you can take the common log to base 2 and multiply a cube times a raised power 5 divided by a raised power 6 equal to, and in this one, the 6 can come down so that we have 6 log 2 base 2. So from here now, we have log, according to law of indices, we can take the common base and add the power. That will give me a raised power 8 over a raised power 6 equal to 6 times, when the number and the base are the same, it will give you 1. It's a law in logarithm. So log 2 base 2 will give me 1. Then still using the same, don't forget that the base here is 2. Still using the same law of indices, the law of division. You take the common base and subtract, so far as division, you have 8 minus 6 equal to 6, because 6 times 1 is 6. Now, we have log 8 minus 6 will give me 2. So we have a raised power 2 base 2 equal to 6. Then, if you want to write this logarithmic equation in index form, the number which is a raised power 2 will be equal to 2 raised power 6. So that has given us exponential equation. So how do we solve it from here? To solve it from here is very simple, because one of the rule of exponential equation is that they must have the same, it's either they have the same base or they have the same power before you can equate them. If they have the same base, you equate the power. If they have the same power, you can equate the base. So how do we now do it to make sure that they have the same power? That's very simple. Just write as a raised power 2 equal to 2 raised power 3, then raised power 2. That means a will be equal to 2 raised power 3. Therefore, a equal to 8. In this, we have to find the value of x and y. Since this is equal to y and y is equal to this, we can equate this and this. So equating them, we are going to have log x base 3 equal to log 2x minus 1, but the 9 can be written as 3 raised power 2, so that they will have the same base. But if I bring the power here, which is the 2, to this side, I'm going to have 1 over 2 log 2x minus 1 base 3. And don't forget the one here, log x base 3. So now bringing the half up, I'm going to have log x base 3 equal to log 2x minus 1 base 3 raised power half. So since both of them are having log to base 3, I can cancel the log base 3 out, and now we have x equal to 2x minus 1 raised power half. So the next thing is to remove the power here, and to do that I will square both sides, so that I will have x squared equal to, when you square this one, you are going to have 2x minus 1, because the square will cancel the 1 over 2. Now, this is a quadratic equation. Just rearrange it. You have x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then factorize it. So to factorize it, you have x, two number that when you multiply will give you 1. But when you add, you are going to get 2. That's minus 1, minus 1. You can check if your answer is correct by multiplying, expanding it. This time, this will give me x squared. Minus 1 will give me minus 2. Then minus 1 times minus 1 will give me plus 1. That means x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1. And if x is equal to 1, since y is equal to log x base 3, that means I can say y is equal to log 1 base 3. And the logarithm of 1 to any base will give me 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y equal to 0. So that's it. Now, looking at the question on the board, the question says what must be subtracted from g, this one is g, of y equal to 6y cubed plus 4y squared minus y plus 5, so that it will be divided by y minus 2. So this question is from polynomials. What you are going to do, you don't need to stress yourself. So since this is you are using this to divide this, what you are going to do is that you use the remainder theorem. And what does the remainder theorem says? It says you equate the divisor equal to 0 and solve for y, so that y will be equal to 2. Then since y is equal to 2, you g of, instead of y, you are going to have 2, meaning that anywhere you see y, you will play with 2. So instead of 6y cubed, it's going to be 6 times 2, 6 times 2 cubed plus 4 times 2 square minus 2 plus 5. And that will give me 6 times 8 plus 4 times 4 minus 2 plus 5. And we are going to have 48 plus 16 minus 2 plus 5. That will give us 67. So that's the answer.